Hey viewers, today we are going to give you the review about Apple iPhone 12 mini. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel, which is the Mobile Corridor, or don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can just stay tuned with us. So, let's start. What are you waiting for? Apple iPhone 12 mini. The Apple iPhone 12 mini looks exactly the same as the iPhone 12. Only hit with a shrink ray. It looks just as fresh and sharp as its larger sibling with aluminum sides, a glass back, and a new ceramic shield covering for the screen that Apple says is 4 times more drop resistant. The modern OLED screen measures 5.4 inch on the diagonal, which makes it significantly smaller than 6.1 inch display on the regular 12, but no less crisp, colorful, and brilliant. The screen is the same width as the older 4.7-inch LCD display on the iPhone SE, but is 1.6 mm taller to the Face ID not Touch. There are many benefits to having a small phone, including being a lot easier to use it one-handed and fit in pockets, but there are also some downsides. It was too small to fit in my car windscreen mount. For instance, and the narrow screen means my thumbs clash frequently when typing at the speed with 2 hands. But the biggest problem is simply the amount of screen area to see the things. Trying to review some documents on the 12 mini was a painful mess of zooming, scrolling, and eventually giving up to a bigger device. So, let's take a closer look to its specification. Screen: 5.4-inch Super Retina SDR OLED 476 ppi. Processor: Apple A14 Bionic. Storage: 64, 128 and 256 GB. Operating system: iOS 14.2. Camera: dual 12MP rear cameras. Front camera: 12MP front-facing camera. Connectivity: LTE, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, Bluetooth 5 Lightning, ultra-wideband, and location. Water resistance: IP68 6 meters for 30 minutes. Battery: Li-ion 2227 mAh non-removable. Charging: fast charging 20 volt 50% in 30 minutes. Weight: 133 grams. Price: Apple iPhone 12 mini 256 GB internal memory with 4 GB RAM price is $879. For more reviews of the cell phone, just stay tuned with us and do subscribe our channel, that is Mobile Corridor.